Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 11698 Ridge Road in Wolcott.
This is a magnificent, one-of-a-kind, historic 1800s country estate. So let's take a tour. Step into history with this elegant front porch, welcoming your family, friends, and guests. Leading to a spacious grand foyer with original detailing that sets the tone for this beautiful home or potentially a great bed and breakfast.
This spacious kitchen features beautiful cherry cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a butler's pantry. A formal dining room with a bay window, wainscoting, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to an expansive living room with 2 seating areas, a gas fireplace, crown molding, and a bay window. All with stunning 10-foot ceilings. The first floor also features a bedroom or office with a powder room, a family room with beautiful built-ins, and access to a spectacular sunroom with a wall of windows and scenic country views. The second floor features this spacious landing, leading to 4 bedrooms with a full bathroom and an ultimate laundry with granite counters. All with an amazing master suite, including a back staircase, cedar walk-in closet, full bathroom, and beautiful hardwood floors. While the third floor offers a special living area with a windowed rooftop vaulted ceiling.
The historic architecture of this mint-condition colonial features a brick exterior with fine moldings. Enjoy nearly 5 scenic acres and beautiful landscaping. Whether you'd love such a spectacular historic home to live in, or a potential bed and breakfast, you will enjoy this one-of-a-kind estate property. This property is located with an easy commute to Rochester and all of Western New York. Nearby is Sodus Bay. The bay offers Lake Ontario access and breathtaking Chimney Bluff State Park. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 11698 Ridge Road in Wolcott.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!